As you're watching tutorials from your teachers, some of your teachers may want you to take notes along with that. And so on your iPad, you can actually split your screen in order to watch your video and take notes at the same time. So in order to do that, you need to have both applications open. For example, if I'm gonna watch my video through Schoology, I need to have my Schoology page open. So here I am in Schoology, I'm in my course, I have my video pulled up, ready to go when I need it. Now for my notes, I also need to have the other document. So maybe that's a Word document, maybe that's a PDF, whatever it might be. I need to open that application. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna open, say my notes were a Word document, I'd open my Word document. So now I have my Word document and my Schoology on my little taskbar at the bottom. Do you see how down here at the bottom of my screen I have the Word on there and I have Schoology on there, and that's what I need to happen. So I'm going to click on Schoology and then I'm going to swipe my finger up so I can see that little menu on the bottom. So I'm going to hold down on the Word and I'm going to drag it up, and now I have part of my screen is the Word document and part of my screen is this video. If I wanted it the other way, I could just open my documents in the opposite order. Here's my Word document. Again, you swipe up on the menu and then I hold on the application I want and drag it up. So here I could watch both of those. Here I'm playing my video. Here I'm writing on my Word document. If I actually wanted to split my screen in half, I just have to see the kind of gray bar at the top of my Schoology. I'm going to put my finger on that so I can drag my Schoology around. I'm going to drag it off to the side and then it will split my screen. So then half of my screen is my Schoology video that I need to watch and listen to, and half of it is the Word document that again I can take my notes on as I'm watching, as I'm listening. So that is how you can split your screen in order to take notes and watch your video on your iPad at the same time.